In this video, we'll show you how to display third-party policy data on your cookie policy page in WordPress, using the GDPR Cookie Consent plugin. Policy data shows the third-party companies, their purpose, and applicable privacy policy or cookie policy link in the form of a table. If you are starting with a new website, we recommend you to use the WP Legal Pages GDPR Cookie Policy Generator plugin. The WP Legal Pages plugin automatically generates the third-party cookie table. In case you have an existing cookie privacy policy page and want to display third-party policy data on your cookie policy page, keep on watching. Before getting started, make sure that you have the GDPR Cookie Consent Pro plugin installed and activated on your WordPress site. Check out the link in the description below to learn how to install it. So, let's get started. To embed a third-party cookie details table, use the shortcode given in the description box below to display cookie policy data on the pages and posts. To do this, open the cookie policy page on the WordPress editor and paste the shortcode under the third-party cookies. Instead of the shortcode, you can also use a Gutenberg block called GDPR Cookie Details for this purpose. All you need to do is simply add this block under the third-party cookies. And there you go, you can now see third-party policy data on your cookie policy page. For more such tutorials, subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in the next video.